LED skincare masks are facing a surge in popularity. But instead of focusing on the skincare claims, we're going to X-ray this mask and investigate the manufacturing behind a 500 LED wearable device. Devices like this only become practical because of major advances in LED technology over the last decade. LEDs have become dramatically smaller, more efficient, and cheaper to manufacture. Surface mount LED packages can now be placed automatically at extremely high speeds, allowing for manufacturers to build arrays with hundreds of emitters across flexible or curved PCBs. Efficiency improvements also mean the LEDs produce more optical power with less heat, which is essential for wearing products that sit directly on your skin. Without those improvements, LED packaging, thermal performance, and automated assembly, a mask with over 500 LEDs would have been far too bulky, hot, and expensive to manufacture. But building an array this large introduces several manufacturing challenges. The first is LED placement accuracy. When hundreds of emitters are placed across a curved mask, each LED must be positioned precisely. If the placement is off even slightly, the light distribution becomes uneven across the face. In a therapeutic device, uniform illumination is critical. The next consideration is LED orientation. LEDs are polarized components. If one is rotated or flipped during assembly, it will not turn on. Automated pick-and-place machines and optical inspection systems are designed to catch these issues. But X-ray can confirm that the internal structure of the LED aligns correctly with the solder pads beneath. Another key risk is short circuits between pads. When components are packed densely together, excess solder can bridge adjacent pads during reflow. In LED arrays, one short can disable an entire string of LEDs depending on how the circuit is designed. But one of the most important reliability issues we look for in X-ray is solder voiding. Voids are small air pockets trapped inside the solder joint during the reflow process. For LEDs, this matters because the solder joint is also part of the thermal pathway. LEDs generate heat at a semiconductor junction. That heat must travel through the package, through the solder joint, and into the PCB where it can spread out and dissipate. If the solder joint contains large voids, the thermal path becomes less efficient. That means the LED junction temperature rises. Higher temperatures accelerate lumen degradation, color shift, and long-term failures. With 504 LEDs operating together, even small inefficiencies in heat transfer can accumulate and create localized hotspots across the device. Manufacturers try to minimize voiding by carefully controlling solder paste deposition, pad design, and reflow temperature profiles. Now let's talk about the actual LED technology used in this mask. This device uses integrated multi-die LED packages that contain multiple emitters inside a single component. Each LED package can generate multiple wavelengths, typically red, blue, and near-infrared. Integrating multiple emitters into one package reduces the total number of components that must be placed onto the PCB. It simplifies assembly, shortens manufacturing time, and helps maintain consistent optical spacing across the mask. However, these packages also place greater importance on thermal design because multiple semiconductor dies share the same package and thermal path into the PCB. That makes solder joint quality and heat dissipation even more critical for long-term reliability. Finally, there's the reality behind every consumer electronics product: warranty economics. Manufacturers design products to avoid early life failures because failures right after manufacturing creates returns, replacements, and reputational damage. But they also know that components like LEDs will slowly degrade over time due to heat and aging. The goal of reliability engineering is to often ensure the product performs reliably through the warranty period, while long-term wear mechanisms occur much later. X-ray inspection plays a key role in that process. It allows engineers to look inside solder joints, verify LED attachment quality, detect shorts, and measure voiding levels that can affect heat dissipation. For a device like this, where hundreds of LEDs must operate consistently and safely against the skin, those hidden manufacturing details determine whether the product delivers uniform performance for years or slowly begins to degrade. In the future, we'll be X-raying other popular healthcare products. Subscribe so you don't miss that, and thanks for watching.